Hello everyone, if you're new here, my name is Casey, or the Real Housewife of Nebraska. This is my favorite time of the year, and it's also the most popular time to host a party. So I'm going to give you 10 tips to be the hostess with the mostest. The first tip is plan. Who will all be coming to your party? Will it be formal or casual? What's your budget? From all of that, choose a theme. Now, you might not be a theme party type of person. I'm actually not. But it's still good to have a focus word for your party to keep everything cohesive. Actually, when I was a TV reporter and anchor, every day we had to say a focus for our story so we didn't get off track. This could also help you save money. For my party, the focus is cookie decorating and conversation with stay-at-home moms and their kids. Number 2 is food and drinks. Now for this, you really want to consider who is coming to your party and then also the theme. In addition, think about if anyone has food intolerances or food allergies. For my party today, I want to have it Christmassy and fun since I'm having kids. But I do want to offer a healthy options. These days it is nice to have a healthy alternative. For my party, I'm going to have a cookie decorated station. I'm going to bake the cookies though in advance so I don't have to worry about that mess during the party. No one wants to worry about a mess during the party, right? And I can then enjoy my guests. If you would like the cookie recipe I'm using, I will post it down below in the description box. And while you're there, I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and join this YouTube family. Now back to the food. For my healthy alternative, I'm making a fruit Christmas tree. For this, you will need green grapes, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and a green and a red apple. You'll want to slice your apples and a strawberry. Now you get to work piecing it all together. So here's a look at our tree. I do wish we had a nicer dish to put this on, but the top is one strawberry with a blueberry in the middle. Then we have green apple down all the side. The middle is made up of the grapes, and then the bottom is the red apple. As you can see, we used raspberries and blueberries for the ornaments. The third thing I'm going to make is candy cane punch. For that, you'll need a 12-ounce jar of strawberry jelly, a liter of lemon lime soda, and a quart of peppermint ice cream. My kids, though, actually prefer mint chocolate chip instead. Plus some candy canes, of course. In a large saucepan, melt the jelly with 1 cup soda. Chill the jelly mixture and the remaining soda. Just before serving, place 3 cups ice cream in a punch bowl. Then gently stir in the jelly mixture. Add the remaining soda and the ice cream by scoopfuls. Then you can make it fancy with candy canes if you would like. Talking about fancy, tip number 3 is the presentation of the food. You can buy food from the store and no one will ever notice if you present it right. Put it in a fancy dish and maybe garnish it with something on top. That way it looks like it's homemade, right? For my party, I'm taking the cookie toppings out of the plastic containers and putting them in white dishes. White dishes are nice because they really make the food pop. Then I'm taking the cookies and putting them on this 3-tiered stand. Of course, with the fruit, I could have just put the fruit out without making the tree, but it shows guests that you put in a little more effort and thought and hopefully that makes them feel special. But if you do lack time, you'll enjoy tip number 4, have a potluck. A lot of times people enjoy bringing their favorite appetizer and dish. You may feel like it's a hassle for them, but I think usually they enjoy it. As far as the drinks, you could tell each guest to buy their favorite wine under $15 and then do a taste test. It's kind of like a game then, figuring out which wine is the best. Tip number 5, games. If you have a group of people who don't know each other all that well, it is nice to have some activities to help break the ice. Maybe board games or card games, or create something yourself. I recently watched a Keeping Up with the Kardashians episode where Kanye West had dictionaries and he flipped to a page and everyone was supposed to highlight the positive words. Kind of unique, but looks like fun, right? Maybe. For my party, we'll have cookie decorating for the kids, and us stay-at-home moms will have a chance to have a little conversation with adults. Tip 6 is one of my favorites, ambiance. What do you want your house to look like, smell like, sound like? I always like to light a few candles. Not only does it make your house smell good, but it creates a mood. And for the price, I like Bath & Body Works candles, but I take off the labels. I think it makes them look a little bit more expensive. I also pay attention to other lighting in the house, and this time of year, it's nice to turn on the Christmas tree. Music can also put people in a good mood, especially Christmas music this time of year. Tip 7 is decor. This time of year, most of us already have Christmas decorations up, so that's nice. I did a few videos on Christmas decorating my house along with a Christmas house tour. If you're interested in them, I'll post them down below. Number 8 is my least favorite, clean. I especially pay attention to the bathroom. You want to make sure there's enough toilet paper and soap and maybe add lotion to the mix. No guest wants to bother you for more toilet paper during a party. Across the house, especially in the kitchen, you'll also want to empty the trash. That way you don't have to worry about that when you're hosting the party. Also, start with an empty dishwasher so your plates are not piling up. Tip 9, these days you might want to make your party social media friendly. Create a hashtag for your party and have areas where people can take pictures. For me, I have this Merry Christmas balloon banner and then our photo-friendly elf. You smile at me, Eve? Any guesses what tip number 10 is? Have fun. Don't stress too much about tips number 1 through 9 that you don't enjoy the party. That's what's important, right? And chances are, if you're stressed during the get-together, your friends and family will notice that and won't have as much fun either. Enjoy it and make memories. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you went down below, gave it a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button and the bell. Thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas, everyone.